just popped up out of nowhere. Anyways, everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi. Yeah, how what me I deal with today? Alright, so you know I'm a man of certs, right? I'm a lifeguard, so I have my lifeguard certificate. I am a fire warden, so you know so I have my fire warden certificate. And now I'm going after a new certificate, and that is bartending certificate. Alright, so I was thinking, how can I apply everything that I've learned so far in bar school to my country lifestyle? And then it came to me. And what I came up with was very phenomenal. And I'll be showing you it on the flip. So everybody, stay tuned and welcome again. It's Kountry Boi. I never telling us I'm ready yet. First, I have to take off these dirty clothes that I've been working all day in creating this beautiful feel, and then I'll be ready. Get cleaned up, and then I'll be ready. Yeah, man, the hair is swagging. Which shorts me I go wearing in this video? This short. By the way, I just want to say big up to Uncle Radcliffe because he's sponsored me this shirt, this and some other ones that I'll use in a future video. Anyways, let's get into it. When you decide to pursue the career as a bartender, you can either be good at it or bad at it. Let's demonstrate. You decide the bartender you'll become. A good bartender should possess these qualities: the integrity of a judge, the patience of an angel, the memory of an elephant, the eagerness of a June bride, the ambition of a beaver, the discretion of a mason, and the tact of a diplomat. To all aspiring bartenders, you have all these qualities? Yeah, me have all of that. Anyways, in order to apply bartending to country life, I first have to find my ingredients. My ingredients such as I need a coconut because I'll be showing you how I make coconut rum country style, and also I'll be making Guinness soaked in apple vodka or Appleton rum or whichever one. Yeah, so I'm gonna get them there and then I'm gonna show them my style. And by the way, y'all get a bonus. Alright, so the bonus is I'll be showing you how to climb a jelly tree in this video. Alright, so me have around 3 techniques you can use to climb the jelly tree. The first one is you can use a ladder. You can hold the tree and tow it up. I call it the towing method. And the third one, you can lock the tree, hug it up like somebody you missed forever, and creep like a snail up the tree. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So I'll be showing you them. Are you ready? First one. I'm now going to use the ladder. Fling that out of the way. I'm going to use the first technique, which is towing it up. Second technique is you can hug the tree. I've got my first ingredient to making coconut rum. Now, meet you at my station. So, after that amazing climb with Kountry Boi, I finally got all my ingredients. My coconut and my J. Ray Nevy rum to make my coconut rum mix. I've got my sugar cane. I'll be making like a little rum snack. Never been done before. And, well, at least I think see that. And I'll be making something special with my beautiful Guinness. Now that I have all my ingredients, let's start preparing them. Alright, so now that I have everything prepared, I have my jelly water in the glass, I have my guinea out of the shell, I have my 2 bars of cane over there. Time for the application of my rum. Alright, so what I'll be doing is putting some of the guinea in this champagne saucer glass. Alright, so the best rum that go with the Guinness right now is my green apple flavored Smirnoff vodka. So let's put a little on it. So applied my Smirnoff vodka, apple flavor that is. Now just mix it around a little bit and voila! I call this Guinness saucer vodka drink. Yeah, and you just can't just have it like a snack. When it's soaked, you just take it out and whoop, eat it like a snack. Alright, so I'm done with that now. Next, onto my jelly water. Coconut rum. So, I prefer to use a J. and Nevy overproof rum and put like a cork full in it. Cover Maria and mix it. And the reason why I don't have any ice in it is because it's gonna like dilute it too much so you don't get to taste the real kick in it. Yeah man. So this is your coconut rum. Country style. And my final thing is my cane snap. Even though rum is made from cane, but you don't know it want a little kick sometimes. So you just pour a little on it. And you let it soak right there. Alright. And then voila. This is what you have when you apply bartending skills to country life. Yeah. You have coconut rum, you have Guinness something another champagne saucer. That's what I said, right? And we have rum sticks. Well, anyways, everybody, I hope you enjoyed everything that you saw in this video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And Kountry Boi will see you again. Shot, 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 shot. for you, cameraman.